What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, guys, we're going to unbox three things. First up, we're going to unbox a custom sneaker. This sneaker was actually custom built by one of the viewers or one of you guys out there and sent it over for me to review and unbox. So this is like the 7-to-1 sneaker. So that's the first thing. Next, we will unbox like a bunch of accessories that I received over the mail from Rose Gold and Black. And lastly, for the main event, we will be unboxing luxury sneakers from Prada. Let's go! Now, before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. They are a premium men's accessories maker based out of Australia. They do bracelets, necklaces, watches, and a bunch of other accessories that you guys have to check out. Now, usually I'm able to extend to you guys a 25% discount by just clicking the link down below. But since it is their birthday month this April and April is about to end, we actually have a 40% discount site-wide as well as free shipping worldwide. So again, guys, take advantage of it. If you're looking for a bracelet, a necklace, or any accessory, make sure to hit them up in the link down below. This sneaker is a custom build by Patrick. Patrick is actually, I think, from Zapateria, and he's also part of Cache Custom. So this is a sneaker that he designed, and it was made in Marikina here in the Philippines. So shout out to you, Patrick. If you guys want to get in touch with him for your own custom work, or if you want to, I don't know, like work with him for anything, I will put the link down below to his Instagram account. Now, it comes in a brown carton box. No, it doesn't say Off-White, doesn't say Yeezy. It's just a brown carton box. And if you pop it open, you get straight to the sneaker. So it is like a sneaker boot kind of build. The top part is made from brown leather, really nice quality over here. And to give it a little more kick and something, you know, just to make it a little bit different so that it's not just your typical sneaker boot, two critical elements. First up, you see those jagged stripes or jagged lines along the outsole. Kind of gives me that trail sneaker kind of vibe. And number two, the strap that you have over here near the laces gives it, again, a little more character. Now, of course, as a sneaker boot, this is something that you can wear with jeans, you can wear with, I don't know, like slacks even, you can wear it to the office. And it is really a timeless looking sneaker. Now, apart from that, by the way, guys, it does have 7-to-1 written here along the back of the sneaker. For those who don't know what 7-to-1 stands for, it is like a principle that I really believe in. Basic premise is 8-to-5, you build your career. 7-to-1, you work on your hustle, you work on your side hustles, you work on your business, you build your dreams. If you want to know more about the 7-to-1 principle, I will put a link down below to a video that I made that talks about it. So again, quick shout out to Patrick for this pair. I really appreciate it, man. I mean, I get to unbox a lot of sneakers that I pick up from shops almost every other day or every day. But it is rare that I get to unbox and wear a sneaker that was made by a subscriber, customized by a subscriber, something for me that I can wear. Patrick, you rock, man. Thank you. God bless you. Next up, we have this package from Rose Gold and Black. So we do have our trusty unboxing knife over here. Of course, the X-Acto knife from Off-White and Nike. So let's just tear this open and quickly take a look at what's inside the packaging. So guys, we have a bunch of stuff from Rose Gold and Black, and we will be quickly checking them out one by one right now. So let's go. Again, take note that all of these items are available right now on their website. So if you are looking for men's accessories, now is the best time to pick them up, especially now that they are on 40% off. So first up, we have like a rose gold necklace with an angel wing. So it's like a one-wing angel kind of vibe, as you guys can see over here. Definitely take a look at that detail. Looks amazing. The overall vibe is definitely crazy with the rose gold colors. If you want something to pop, if you want your outfit to pop, especially if you're wearing like minimal colors, a necklace like this will definitely get you guys' attention. Next up, we have, oh, this is like a more subtle version. So it has like a cloth type of band, and then you have that feather at the very end of the necklace. Again, something very nice to look at. Again, something to give an accent to your overall outfit. So that's the second necklace that we have in this set. Next, we have your typical rose gold chain. So something simple, something easy to wear, something that can go with a lot of plain minimal outfits, and it does have the rose gold and black logo at the very end. This is probably special because this one comes in the rose gold and black box. So let's take a look at what's inside. We have the rose gold and black pouch, and inside we have, ooh, this is nice. Guys, this is another one of the one-winged angel necklaces, but what makes this one special is that it's made from sterling silver. So it's not just your typical material, it's not just your typical like material that they use for a bunch of their other items. It is kind of special. And again, I love it that it's a little more subdued, it's a little more subtle, and this one is definitely easier to rock and easier to wear. Now, apart from the necklaces, like what I mentioned earlier, they do come out with a bunch of beaded bracelets. This is the one that I'm currently wearing. I've actually worn it for quite a while now, ever since I picked it up. They do come in different designs, and you can check them out again over at the Rose Gold and Black website, which also comes with that 40% discount. Now we get to the most expensive part of this unboxing. This is our luxury sneaker unboxing from the brand Prada. I was actually able to pick this sneaker up over at the Prada store over at Greenbelt. So this is pricey and it is crazy and it's not recommended for everyone. So as you guys can see, it has that Prada logo at the top of the box. The box has a really nice leather-like texture to it all around, giving you that premium and luxe vibe and feel. So if you open the box, the first thing that you guys see is that silver dust bag with the Prada logo. Of course, the shoes are inside, and the dust bag serves as a way to protect the shoe from dust and dirt as you are storing them. So if we pull this bag open, this is the sneaker. So as you guys can see, it is a minimal black sneaker with flat laces over here, and it has an accent of blue along the back of the heel, and that Prada logo with the blue part at the bottom of the triangle here at the back. It has a white accent as well, separating the midsole and the upper part of the shoe. And it's basically like a minimalist black Prada branded sneaker. Definitely not the loudest sneaker that you guys can pick up. Definitely not like the craziest shoe that will turn heads. But hey, if you're just looking for like luxury, you're looking for the best materials possible, and at the same time like a brand that can probably, I don't know, like hold up against a lot of other luxury brands out there, then you might want to check this one out. So again, this is a luxury sneaker from Prada that I was able to buy from their Greenbelt branch. So again, very simple, classic, timeless, looks nice, goes well with whatever outfit that I can pick from my closet. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We will be announcing the mechanics for our Realme 3 smartphone giveaway very, very soon. So make sure that you guys are subscribed so you can be part of the raffle once we announce the mechanics. That's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.